Authorities in India have launched a major terror investigation following Monday's deadly explosion near New Delhi's Red Fort, which killed at least 12 people and left several others injured. The blast occurred around 6:52 p.m. local time, sending shockwaves through the capital city. Police say they have registered a first information report under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, the Explosives Act, and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, signaling a full-scale anti-terrorism investigation. Delhi's Deputy Commissioner of Police, Raja Banthia, told reporters that the inquiry is still at a preliminary stage, but confirmed that specialized teams from multiple agencies are involved. The explosion happened when a slow-moving vehicle stopped at a red light near the Red Fort, one of India's most iconic Mughal-era landmarks. The vehicle reportedly ignited, triggering a powerful blast that set several nearby cars on fire. Forensic teams and bomb disposal units are combing the area for evidence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with Home Minister Amit Shah to assess the situation, and authorities have placed the city and surrounding regions on high alert. Additional security personnel have been deployed to critical locations, including Delhi metro stations, government buildings, and Indira Gandhi International Airport. The Central Industrial Security Force has also heightened security at all installations under its protection. Police cordoned off the Red Fort complex, which has been temporarily closed to the public until November 13th, as investigations continue. Hospitals across the city, including Lok Nayak Hospital, remain on standby to treat victims and potential casualties. Eyewitnesses described scenes of panic as flames spread through the area, with rescuers rushing to help the injured. The Press Trust of India confirmed on Tuesday that the death toll had risen to 12. Meanwhile, Delhi Police Commissioner Satish Golcha urged citizens to remain calm and avoid speculation as authorities gather evidence to determine the motive and perpetrators behind the attack. Experts say this is one of the deadliest incidents in the capital in recent years, raising new questions about urban security and counter-terror preparedness in major Indian cities. The investigation is ongoing, and officials have not ruled out the involvement of organized groups. Forensic analysis, surveillance footage, and witness statements are expected to play a crucial role in identifying those responsible. Stay tuned to Liberty 365 for verified updates, exclusive insights, and continuing coverage from New Delhi as authorities probe the Red Fort blast and strengthen nationwide security measures.
The FSL is doing the same thing only. They are lifting the traces of explosives, and based on their testing, they will be able to conclusively.
How long does that process take usually?
Just now we were talking to them. Maybe 1 or 2 days they will expedite the process, and maybe they will be able to tell us in a day or two.
Do you believe that there are others who may be involved in this who have gotten out?
As I told you, that it is investigation is ongoing and the facts are unfolding, and new things are coming up. So as of now, it will be premature to conclude anything.
Was there any shrapnel which was found at all on the location?
Not as of now, but still we are examining the scene of crime.
And in terms of the metro and operations, borders being sealed, what can you share with us?
No, as of now, I cannot share anything about that. We are deciding upon it, and then we will take a call.
Could you share any other information?
ये बढ़ रहे हैं, ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सवाल है। गांव से हमारी बहुत बड़ी टीम इस वक्त है, LNGP अस्पताल से कोमल है, राजगीर है, लखनऊ से जरूरी अपने दर्शकों को बता दे, इस पूरे धमाके से जुड़ी हुई दिल्ली धमाके को लेकर के बहुत उमर मोहम्मद फरीदाबाद आतंकी मॉड्यूल से इस पूरे हमले के तार जुड़े हुए मिले हैं, और आज और ये जो आप सामने चलेंगे ब्लास्ट हुआ था, जहां से जो है तकरीबन जो है आधा दर्जन से ज्यादा वाहनों
ആണോ ഇവിടെ സ്ഫോടനത്തിന് ഉപയോഗിച്ചത് എന്നതടക്കം കണ്ടെത്തേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. അതെല്ലാം തന്നെ ഫോറൻസിക് പരിശോധനയിലൂടെ പുറത്തു വരേണ്ട വിവരങ്ങളാണ്.
फरीदाबाद तक पहुंचती है, सहारनपुर और लखनऊ और ये कहा जा रहा है
साथ में भी लगी।
विजय यादव, मैं बिहार का रहने वाली हूँ।
कैसे आप इंजर्ड हुए?
जी हमारे गाड़ी पानी गाड़ी का मैं काम करता हूँ। 2 रुपये गिलास पानी बेचता हूँ। मेरे गाड़ी के आगे में बीच रोड पे कार खड़ी थी और उसमें जब बम ब्लास्ट हुआ एकाएक इतनी तेज़ धमाका हुआ और क्या आके लगा मेरे को, बॉडी की चितरी उड़ गई और बॉडी लगा कि क्या लगा, मैं गिर गया, इतना होश नहीं रहा। तो उठने के बाद जब होश आया, उठने के बाद मैं देखा कि 2 आदमी घायल तड़प रहा है। मैं कंडीशन में नहीं था। एक बार तो मैं उसको उठाना चाहा लेकिन मैं खुद कंडीशन में नहीं था। फिर उसके बाद प्रशासन आए, सबको भगदड़ मच गई, हटो भागो भागो भागो। फिर हम भाग के गए वहाँ से, प्राइवेट में अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराए। फिर मेरे साथी लोग थे वो कमरे पे ले गए, बोले चलो कमरे पे यहाँ नहीं रहो, ज़िंदगी बचेगा फिर कमा लेना, कोई बात नहीं है।
माहौल क्या था जब आप इंजर्ड हुए?
पूरी भगदड़ मची हुई थी, पूरी भगदड़ मची हुई थी। पहले एक गाड़ी में आग लगी थी, फिर दूसरी में लगी, फिर तीसरी में लगी। मैं इतना ही देखा।